There's one thing that separates an anime window that looks convincing from one that just looks like a projector on a wall. It's not the content, it's not the room, it's the size of the image. Most people throw it full screen, 100, 120 inches, and it reads as a projection. A real window is about 4 feet wide. The moment you shrink the image to match that, something shifts. Your brain has a reference it recognizes and stops processing it as a screen. Some people add a thin frame around it, cheap molding from any hardware store. And at that point, people walk into the room and genuinely stop. That's the setup nobody talks about. For content, motion is everything. Static scenes look like a screensaver. Rain on glass works best. The light shifts constantly. The loop never catches. Search anime rain window 4K loop on YouTube, and you'll have hours of free content before you even finish setting up. Studio Ghibli style rain is the most searched for a reason. The art style reads as a world, not a video. Tokyo streets at 2 a.m. if you want the room to feel alive. Slow cherry blossoms if you want it quiet. All of this is free, already on YouTube, already in the app. The CineX runs Android 11, which means you're not learning a new interface or downloading anything. You open YouTube, find the scene, point it at the wall. The picture levels itself automatically. No menu, no adjusting. By the time you sit down, it's already right. It mirrors wirelessly from iPhone and Android. If you find something on your phone you want on the wall, it's there in seconds. Screen goes up to 120 inches, or pull it back to window size. Different rooms call for different things, the room does the rest. After 9 p.m., curtains drawn, when the CineX is the only light source, the effect is completely different from daytime. Your eye adjusts to it as a source, not a reflection. The rain moves, the light from it shifts across your ceiling. It stops being a projector and becomes the thing it's pretending to be. That's the part you can't describe until you've been in the room. It's at simplifytech.shop, ships worldwide, 6-month warranty. If it doesn't change your room the way you wanted, full refund, no questions asked. The exact searches are in the description.